My name is Stephanie Rubio. I am here in support of Bill 7596. I am here because I have a sibling who was incarcerated at the age of 14, turning 15, and was charged as an adult. I am a firm believer that this gentleman and these men involved shall be held accountable for their actions and pay for their consequences given to them for their behaviors. Due to their punishments and actions, not only does it make them feel remorseful, but to the victims' families as well. I feel as though juveniles sentenced as adults should be given a second opportunity at life. Not only were they unknowledgeable and uneducated, now as adults they're able to recognize and see their reason for punishment and for imprisonment. As juveniles grow older, being incarcerated, they have different outlooks on life, and it's only to better themselves. Prison shows inmates their needs to obey the law as well as the rules of the prison by being given the proper treatments and courses during the time being. These classes and courses demonstrate that their mentalities from juveniles to adults have been rehabilitated and now are ready to show their contributions to society if given a second chance. Not only are these courses documented, but they only motivate the prisoner to do better, want better, and be better. My brother's mentality has evolved drastically since the age of 14 to now the age of 30. He states constantly that he is very regretful of what he's done and that if he were in the age he were in now, he would have avoided the whole situation he's been in. For his future, if he gets this opportunity, he intends to help endangered kids engaged in these kind of in the street community, better their future. That way they don't go through what he's gone through, because the grass is always greener on the other side and they do have more potential than they think. I want to thank the General Assembly for allowing us to voice our concerns. I hope they see the potential that I see in juveniles sentenced as adults, as I believe that if they are rehabilitated, they will have a brighter future. Thank you.
Thank you, Stephanie. Any questions? Representative O'Grady.
Thank you for your testimony, Stephanie. Can you tell us a little bit more about your brother's situation and what the crime was, what the circumstances were?
So at the age of 14, my brother committed a crime of murder due to gang-related violence. I was only 8 when this happened, so I'm not really sure, or I'm not in depth with what really happened. I know they've said that they will not give him a chance at parole because not only is he an immigrant, but his first couple of years incarcerated, he was not the best by any means. After all the years, he's definitely bettered himself, and he's took a huge turn, and his ways of thinking have changed, and he's really become a better person in general.